up, YouTube? So it's your girl Lainey, and I'm back here with another how-to tutorial. So if you guys would like this video, comment down below. I will be sure to give you guys some more of my how-to videos on what I do and how I do it. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, because this video is my first time ever trying to apply this wig. I've been looking at videos for the longest, so I actually went out to my local beauty store, shout out to Kim's, and I got me a wig and some got to be glued. So yes, make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I know this look kind of crazy, but I'm just trying to test it out because this will be my actual first time putting it on with my hair braided down. So I just wanted to, see what it was looking like. This hair was pretty short, but I liked the curl pattern that it had to it. So yeah, I look silly as heck right now, but like I said, you guys, this is my first time applying this wig, so just bear with me, and I will go back and actually spray down my wig cap. I should have gotten the all over and not the one with the little holes in it. I did this, I've watched more videos where they pulled the wig cap over the ears and then cut the ears out. So I will be trying that one next. So let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see that how-to video. Alright, you guys, so you will also need some got to be glued gel, and you can just lay that right around your edges up under the cap, but be sure to blow dry it long enough so that it can stick. I did notice where mine's began to lift by the end of the day. So like I said, you guys, this is my first time actually trying this, so I don't care about your opinions. If you want to try this method, you can. I'm just showing you guys how I actually accomplish my look for that day. Like I said, my next go-to or try will be some inches, baby. I want to get some inches, and I want to make sure I get that wig cap glued down right. So yes, it takes practice. Oh yeah, you guys, I forgot to mention, you also want to pre-pluck that wig before you actually glue your hair down. But right here I am just making sure within my middle part that the skin tone matches so that it can all blend well. Like I said, I got the wrong cap, so It looks a little silly with how I did my makeup. Just on top of the cap. I know, you guys. I actually want to probably get some powder and just dab, dab, dab to make sure that it would match your same complexion when your wig is on. As you can see here though, I just took my concealer and just wipe inside the wig and try to blend it out, y'all. I know it was crazy, but I was just trying to figure out my own ways, my own little methods on how to get this to blend. So yeah, just keep watching, you guys. Alright, you all, so on this part you want to make sure you add enough of the got to be glued gel and spray to get those corner pieces held down evenly and right, because like I said, that will be the fastest part to me that will lift, especially right over your ears. So I actually got to just spraying and blow drying it to get it to stick really well. Alright, you guys, so right here you can still see the wig cap. So I just try to pull the wig up as much as I could and make sure that it's evenly all the way around, not able to show, because the wig cap that I got had like this sticky stuff to like where it wouldn't slide down my head. But it was kind of weird because on the other wig caps I've seen how they pull them over the ear and then cut them. So this one just stuck out a little bit more around and on the edges. So just bear with me. It's gonna get cute, boo. Oh yeah, you guys, so I forgot to mention, as you're actually spraying the got to be glued, you want to make sure you're blow drying literally right after, because if not, your hair will just harden and stiffen, especially around the edges. So yes, just be sure you want to get that dry to your cap as much as possible. Okay, so at the end, this is definitely my favorite part, and that is to trim these edges, boo, because I need these edges to be laid. I need this whole lace to be covered up, baby. So that's what I'm doing here, guys. Also here guys, I am using my new little edge control and my edge brush. And as you notice, I've actually took some scissors and just gently shredded the hair. I didn't like try to clip the ends or anything like that. Just slightly glide the scissors across the hair and it will shed lightly. So yeah, that's what I did to try to get some type of, you know, edges on this wig, baby. So yeah, we gonna see what I came up with at the end of this video. So make sure you guys let me know what y'all think down in the comments, and keep in mind, don't forget, remember that this is my first time doing this. So yes, first time, first impression. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think.